I saw on the news today where people are putting bears in their windows so that when kids go on walks, they can go on bear hunts. So I found a couple of bears, and I'm gonna stick them in the windows. Hi, Chloe. I'm Mr. Bear. I'm the Tiger King. Kelly's gonna come home. She's gonna be like, what the heck are all these bears doing in our window? Just for fun, maybe one in the upstairs window. Can you guess what today's chore is? Is it going to the grocery store? Nope. It's cleaning the toilet. It's important to stay positive. To try when your arms are too weary. To reach the unreachable star. This is my quest. To follow that star. No matter how hopeless. No matter how far. To fight for the right without question or pause. To be willing to march. March into hell for a heavenly cause. Remember, stay home, stay safe. Peace!